Hi, my name is Eric. I'm an artist, and I'm going to show you how to draw a cartoon waterfall. Okay, first let's draw ground up here and here. Let's show some water coming across and then falling down. So I'm going to wrap down here, wheels down. Now let's just, for the sake of it, say that that's where the stone or whatever ends. And it enters a body of water here, a river or whatever. And say it splashes and fluffs here. And you can bring lines down to show the water flowing. There you go. Some more splashes. And you can show the water flowing this way. And since it's a cartoon waterfall, let's just add a boat with a guy going, oh no. And his paddle fell in here. There we are. And that is how you draw a cartoon waterfall.